Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Docker and kubectl are ready. Don't stall on theory. First, run minikube start or kind create cluster so you have a local Kubernetes control plane. Make sure Docker is running and that kubectl context points at the new cluster. Next, pull or build your container image with docker build tmimage, latest, and load it into the cluster with kind load docker image or minikube image load. Once done, you'll create a deployment to run your container. You now apply manifests to define desired state. Use kubectl apply f deployment. YAML to create the deployment, then kubectl apply f service. YAML to expose it. Choose node port or load balancer depending on access needs. Configure environment via config map and secrets and attach persistent volumes for stateful data. To scale or update, run kubectl scale deployment /mydeploy replicas equals 3 or kubectl set image deployment /mydeploy mycontainer equals mimage, v2. Make sure to watch rollouts. You finish by verifying access. Use kubectl port forward svc /myservice 8080, 80 or open the load balancer IP to hit your app. Run integration checks and confirm health endpoints. When done, clean resources with kubectl delete f to avoid lingering workloads and stop or delete your local cluster. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Inspect kubectl logs for container output, kubectl describe pod for events, and check image pull secrets, node disk and memory. If a pod won't start, the describe output usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.